Okay, so here's the true test. Now we got everything wired up. Everything's 10 gauge, 10 gauge, 10 gauge, heavy duty, everything. So this is gonna be the plug that you go into the house. This is gonna be underneath the machine. The machine's gonna plug into here, and then the wire here, then transfers everything over there for charging the station. So now, if we plug this in, okay, so we plugged this power in. Looks like we got power here, we got blinking lights here, we have power here. That means we have power here going back, and yes we do. We have power over here. Here's a charging cord for the generator. So we're gonna plug that in there. So now we are charging the Ego. Are we? Oh, I did not plug it in yet. This needs to go here. There we go. Now we are charging our brand new 12-0 batteries. And how long is it gonna take? We also have this wire feeding back this way, and it comes out right here. So when we're using the Ego power pack, this is where the power comes from. So right now we're back charging it, and it looks like we got 10 hours to go. So simple as that. I love these Ego power packs. We are going to test the Ego power station. A lot of people ask, hey, is it going to run my machine? This is a commercial 6-inch machine. Runs these beautiful, amazing European style gutters. So when I press go, watch that gauge. You see that gauge right there? And then that's where it levels out. Now that's connected directly. Let's see if we can put an extension cord and see what happens. Right here, you feed the flat materials in there, and it goes through the machine and forms a box. Now we have an extension cord that's like 14 gauge. Let's see what happens when we turn the machine on. Nothing, it's the same. That's interesting. I'm gonna run a 10 gauge cord. I think it's a 100-foot cord. And we're gonna turn the machine on. Okay, I think it did a little bit better. So here we have a heavy duty half round machine. We're gonna see if the Ego works. Ready, set, go. It has a hard time starting up, right? No, it works just fine.